Today I'm going to demonstrate on how to do shaping the deep threads and the mustard. Before entering the room, please check and read the chart, the name of the patient, birthday, age, address, religion, marital status, diagnosis, baseline, vital signs, focus order. Knock the door. After gathering all the data, do hand washing, wear the gloves. Knock the doors. Good morning, sir. I am Sheila Bisan Sugan, your caregiver from 1 p.m. to 8 p.m. May I know your name, sir? Mr. Ramos. Mr. Ramos. Your birthday, sir? September 8. September 8. And secretly, check the rest stop. Sir, I'm going to do cake for your bird and mustache. To feel comfortable and for proper hygiene and to minimize the number of microorganisms and for you to look more handsome. Is it okay for you, sir? It's okay for you, sir? Yes, ma'am. Sir, may I need... Sir, I will check the vital signs, the temperature, pulse rate, respiratory rate, oxygen saturation. Sir, did you feel some pain? No? No? So the vital signs of the patient are all stable. Sir, may I lead you first to prepare the material?
Ito, foam shaving. Foam shaving of shaving cream.
Raise the tablet. Yeah, before you leave, no? Before you leave the patient. Anyway, sir, before I'm going to take you to the person, which do you prefer to take? You want, which do you want to prepare? Which do you want to prepare before our shaving? Which do you prefer before shaving? Okay, choices. Shaving foam, shaving clear, shaving cream, soap, or water, shaving foam. Okay, sir. How about after shaving, sir? Do you prefer cream or water? What do you, officer? Officer. Then rest the side reps and lock. Adjust the position of the patient's bed into semi polar position. And then I prepare knock the door. Go to the station, prepare the things, prepare the materials, and then lock the door. Do hand washing on your gloves, and then knock the PPA, and then knock the door. Sir, unbox. Sir, unbox, sir. Sir, unbox, sir. Now, sir, I'm going to start. Sir, do you want to defecate or urinate? Hold the curtain. Hold the curtain for privacy. Hold the towel.
That's why you have to explain what you're going to put in the eyes and the ears before you put in the towel. Para hindi pa ka mainapan. Ha? Sige, go.
Sir, I will cover your eyes with a slightly moistened washcloth to avoid clearing from the light.
Ayun ka. Kaya napaka-education.
Clearing from the light.
And also, sir,
Sir, I'm going to put cotton balls in your ear so that the water will not be enter in your ear. The towel over the kiss.
timer starts now.
And put the other towel under the head.
Saka na ang masaka.
Grabbing mechanics.
Uy! Buti mo ha? Sa may bantay ba?
Or mamaya
Ang buwan si
Mamaya
Raise
report sa ako sa iyo.
And then, get the license with a small amount of water and paper.
raise the
Apply shaving foam in the palm. Spread it in the face and the bird and the mustache. Now start shaving from the fastest bird fish, cow, shave, and rest. Cow, shave, and rest. Then at the nearest bird, towel the skin, shave, and rest. Top the skin, shave, and rest. And then the farthest mustache. Top the skin, shave, and rest. Cut the skin, shave, and rest. And the nearest mustache. Out the skin, shave, and rest. Out the skin, shave, and rest. And the lower lip or gluteus. Scalp the skin, shave and rinse. Scalp the skin, shave and rinse. Scalp the skin, shave and rinse. And the lower chin. Scalp the skin, shave.
One bird under the lower lip mo, no? Bird under the lower lip.
Bird under.
Ayaw na.
So, kanima.
Wala ka na nasa. Bird under the chest.
Scalp the skin. Scalp the skin.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Chin and rinse. Scalp the skin. Touch the skin, shape and spread. Touch the skin, rinse and shape and rinse. Sir, I'm going to remove the moist washcloth to wipe your face. To wipe your face to remove hair thickness. Now I will apply lotion.
Patray siya. Lotion na. Basta water, pwede na nila apply. Pero ka na, patray, before you apply the lotion. Kuha na rin yung cotton balls. Sa ito yung cotton balls.
Remove cotton balls. Remove cotton balls.
Tapos pat dry, then apply,
Then pat dry.
dry shaving lotion.
Apply lotion.
Taking lotion, last.
To prevent to close the pores and to close the pores. And remove the towel. Remove the towel. Remove the hair towel. Sir, what can you say? Sir, you look handsome.